Good morning everyone and welcome back to Jacob's channel. Today I'm talking you through how anyone can make cash money fast here in Australia. So here in Australia we have this cans recycling program, and you recycle any can bottle, something like that, you just recycle it. It's 10 cents each, and anyone in Australia can do it. So you just walk in, put the cans. I'll show you guys the process now. And let's get into it. So here we have the facility, people are driving in. Today it's really quiet, so I'm quite lucky. I don't have a really big load to drop off, so it's going to be a nice and easy drive in, drive out situation, but I'll show you more when we get in there. So here we have myself here just going through all the rubbish. So you have to separate the glass and the plastics cartons. So you want to make sure you don't put the wrong one in there. I mainly use this side hustle just to make a bit of extra cash, also invest in the stock market, like a bit of micro investing through CommSec Pocket, or just top up the savings account. This is a great way anyone can just start making money straight away without having to rely on getting a second job. There's no commitments here. It's just your own time, your own efforts, and you get rewarded for it. And it's also a really good thing for the environment. You know, people are putting the recyclables in the trash, which goes to landfill. And if we can just put that into recycling, it's a win-win situation. Bit of money for you, good for the planet, and good for everyone around us.
Oh yeah, no, look, it's easier to make like this. I feel you back, but it's easier for me to sort of bring them because I'm out on the farm and I'm actually getting them otherwise. So.
Yeah, they just put up too much.
Yeah. Sure.
But it's a good day for it.
Yeah, no, I just very slow. Yeah, I'm just going.
Yeah. Perfect for a small run. So this is the machine we have here. This is how you make the money. Go to the machine, insert a ticket. You got select the payment option, Steam or cash. So we go cash. $13.10. There it is. Got the receipt. G'day guys and welcome back. So I just finished up at the cans collection facility and I made a total of $13.10 in cash. You can see there on the right hand side. So that's pretty cool, like just pretty easy. I just pretty much walked in there. Took about 10 minutes and I got my cash in hand. So that's how easy it can be to make money in Australia without a job. Obviously it's not a lot of money, but it's a bonus, man. Like, you know, it's easy. You can do it anywhere. If you need some cash fast, you can just go out looking through bins and recycle your own stuff. It's like, if you have the stuff already, you know, you use those drinks every day, you drink alcohol or you drink soft drinks in a can, it's just worth it. So here, I'll just show you here, that's the money here. So there you go, cash in hand, money, easy done. So stay tuned for more videos like this. This is probably one of those side hustles you can do without I don't know, like starting something, you can just do it straight away, which is what I like about it most, is that anyone can do this. You can be a kid, you can be an adult, you can be in high school, anyone can just go collect cans, make some cash. Pretty cool stuff here in Australia. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay subscribed for more finance and travel videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.